We've all been there, juggling countless Excel sheets, drowning in data, and desperately trying to streamline business operations. But fear not. DronaHQ low-code platform is here to empower you with the tools you need to conquer these challenges. DronaHQ understands the pain points you face. No more struggling with disparate systems or waiting for lengthy IT projects. It's time to take control and drive efficiency. DronaHQ simplifies your business operations by providing a centralized data platform and empowering you to build your own applications without extensive coding knowledge. Say goodbye to fragmented processes and hello to streamlined workflows. No more wasting time searching for information or struggling with data inconsistencies. DronaHQ brings all your data together in one centralized platform, providing you with a holistic view of your business. But here's the real game changer. DronaHQ low-code approach empowers you to automate processes and collaborate seamlessly without relying on IT teams. Say hello to productivity and agility. No need for complex coding. DronaHQ user-friendly interface allows you to create custom applications tailored to your specific business needs. It's time to transform your operations. So, say goodbye to the headache of scattered Excel sheets, disjointed systems, and lengthy IT projects. It's time to embrace the power of DronaHQ low-code platform. DronaHQ, your partner in simplifying business operations, driving collaboration, and reducing dependency on IT. Visit our website and unlock the power of low-code today.